Namaste everyone, I am here to share about my journey with face yoga, and I must tell you all that face yoga is a complete game changer. If you're looking to add certain amazing skills to your yoga and to your daily routine, please go ahead and learn face yoga. I have been doing face yoga since actually a few years now, but I wasn't certified enough to understand why I did certain movements or I used certain oils. So basically this course will give you an in-depth, literally detailed knowledge about what kind of oils to use, what kind of nutrition goes behind it, everything A to Z, and it completely is a definitely game changer for me. So what we usually feel about fitness is below the neck you pay attention to all the body parts, but you do not really think about above your neck, which is what face yoga focuses on. And you will actually start seeing difference, which I saw for myself. You will actually start seeing the difference on your face within a week's time, and that's a really amazing thing. And I would love to add here that Ina ma'am has added so much knowledge to this course. So thank you Ina ma'am, and thank you Ashok sir for always giving us such amazing opportunities. And thank you so much. I can't thank you enough for this super amazing knowledge that you shared with us. Thank you so much, and Om Namah Shivaya.